everyone, welcome back to another food video. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of food videos. It's my predominant video type on here. Today is a food haul from Asda. It's part of a weekend haul. Yesterday you should have seen a Marks and Spencer's weekend haul. This is the second part of stuff that's going to go with what I showed you yesterday. So the first thing, I have some pedigree dental sticks. I got some Misfits, Nasher sticks, classic mash, a Hovis tasty wholemeal in medium. I got a 2 litre bottle of Pepsi Max, a 1.25 litre bottle of Diet Coke, some almond milk. I got some Alpo soy chocolate milk. I got some Dr Pepper, a Diet Coke, 2 cans of Heinz beans, another Diet Coke. I got some vine ripened tomatoes, some sweet potato mash, and a 4-pack of Maribel baked potatoes. That's everything that I got today. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them down below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so then you'll get an alert every time I upload another video. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone.